Good morning everyone, this is Virgie the Dreamer from Mindanao, Davao City, currently working here in Hong Kong guys. Today's content is all about cooking a congee guys, since the baby, she's not in a good condition guys. Kasi kahapon nagsusuka siya, so kailangan natin na hanapan ng solusyon para kumakain si baby for lunch. So, advice ni Amo na kailangan na magluto ako ng congee for her lunch, guys. Kasi I don't know what happened to her na kahapon suka, sobrang, parang palagi siyang nagsusuka kahapon, guys. So, ito ang niluto ko, guys. This is very simple, a basic one. Everybody know how to cook congee, guys. So, this is a carrot. Nilagyan ko ng carrots, guys, fish, and the cabbage. And also the rice. Yung rice ni baby, guys, is different from our rice. So, may rice talaga siya na para sa baby. Actually, guys, si baby kumakain na ng rice and meat and everything, guys, kung anong kinakain natin kasi she is 2 years old now. But, as for now, kailangan natin na magluto ng congee para kumakain si baby ng marami. So, hindi siya totally okay now. Okay, that's all for today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment, please. And para ma-updated kayo sa next uploaded video ko. That's all for today. And God bless us all.